Today we're going to do another review video, and this is going to be a new hard seltzer that I came across. And this is called Nectar. Technically it's hard nectar. It's written in Hangul, Korean alphabet. Across the front you'll see the nectar. Right before that you'll see the haru, which right before nectar, which is like Korean for hard seltzer. So it's the word for hard seltzers in Korean. So hard nectar. Then it's Asian flavors. You don't see this in a lot of the other seltzers. Actually, I don't think I've ever seen it in any seltzer that's around right now from any brand, Truly, White Claw, or anybody with some Asian flavors. The flavors that come in this pack are going to be Asian Pear, Mandarin, Lychee, and Yuzu. And if you're not familiar with those, some of them are common, some of them aren't. Asian Pear, got a little bit of a little slight different texture. I think it's, for me, a little sweeter than a normal pear. Mandarin, it's Mandarin orange, there you go. Lychee's this kind of tastes like a grape a little bit, like almost like a floral grape. And then Yuzu is some type of hybrid lemon, orange kind of thing. And all of these are native to Korea, China, Japan, all in that region. What I like about this is like a really sturdy carrying case. Not like the other ones are usually flimsy cardboard kind of packaging. This is like a hefty, sturdy box. You got the flip top, double top opening, really nice, strong packaging. So let's pull some of these out, kind of go over them, taste them, try them out, and save some for later. So let's kind of talk about the flavors that are in here. So first is the Yuzu, which is kind of like a lemony, orangey kind of said. The Yuzu fruit itself is kind of harsh. The skin, the rind is usually the better part of it, like cooking with it and things like that. I don't know if they're using the juice from the Yuzu or if they're using the skin, because the skin actually tastes pretty good when you're combining it in dishes and things like that. The juice itself is pretty harsh. And then like I said, next the Asian Pear, the Lychee, and the Mandarin. So let's go ahead and pop these open. The Yuzu. It's kind of lemony, kind of orangey, kind of grapefruit, kind of what Yuzu kind of flavor profile it has. Now, one of the things that they're promoting with this particular seltzer is that it doesn't have a weird or funny aftertaste, which it doesn't. Like a lot of them that use stevia, and I'm not sure what's the sweetener in these. Well, cane sugar, and 1 gram of carbs. So it's sweetened so little, and kind of go through them. With cane sugar, the natural flavors really come out. So the ingredients are going to be purified water, alcohol from cane sugar. So I wonder if they're using like rum. That might be it. Ooh, kind of like it even more now. Natural flavors and sodium citrate. So, but like I said, the Yuzu's kind of got a little lemon, kind of grapefruit kind of vibe to it, which is really good. All right, so that's the Yuzu. And let's jump over to the Mandarin. So if you're familiar with mandarins, tangerines, all the same thing. So very soft, the flavor. You definitely get that orange Mandarin flavor profile in it. Kind of like, you ever had those little mandarins in the little juice cup things before you were on keto maybe, or if you got kids, young kids, they're the little fruit cups with the mandarin slices. I definitely get that, but it's not super potent as far as the flavor goes, but you definitely taste it. It's actually, I like it more than the Yuzu, for sure. Because I'm not a fan of grapefruit, and I'm picking up some, not that there's grapefruit in it, but I'm just picking up some grapefruit kind of, maybe it has bitterness. It's okay, it's good, but I do like the Mandarin better. I'm gonna say the pear for last. And lychee, like I said, lychee kind of has a grape kind of vibe to it. This one actually almost has it's a beer flavor to it, a beer taste. Smells completely different. It smells great. I wish it tastes as good as it smelled. I'm almost kind of getting a beer vibe to it. Yeah, I'm gonna probably put that lychee down over here. So far, we're gonna go with the Mandarin, then Yuzu, and I was kind of had high hopes for the lychee. I like lychee. It's not low carb lychees. They're not low carb, but they're damn tasty. So yeah, I really wanted to like that one. And let's go with the Asian Pear. This one's amazing. This is absolutely delicious. Yeah, this is great. It's only 1 gram of carbs per can. A couple more sips. I'll pick up the lychee afterwards, but man, it's hard to get through that first initial mouthful of it to get to the back palate of it. The back side of it tastes really good. The front side, it's hard to get past that. So I'm sorry, lychee. I really wanted to like you. Really wanted to like you. The Yuzu, like I said, Yuzu's pretty good. That's not bad at all. Mandarin, cheers. This was really tasty. This one's really, really tasty. But man, this Asian Pear is delicious. Absolutely delicious. So let's kind of go in order, best to last. We're gonna start with the Asian Pear. Absolutely delicious. Then we're gonna go with the Mandarin second, Yuzu, followed by the lychee. So guys, like I said, you can find this in your market. It's worth the pickup. It's worth the buy. It really, really is. I'm not going to knock it as a product in general. In general, it lives up to its claim. No really bad aftertaste at all. Like I said, I get a lot of bitter aftertaste from a lot of these seltzers that are made with stevia or other sweeteners. Some seltzers have a bad aftertaste. Some of them I just can't stand drinking. But the hard nectar, thumbs up, thumbs sideways, thumbs down. So that's it for me, guys. Make sure you subscribe, click the bell icon so when I put that next video out, you'll know that it's coming. YouTube will say, hey, look, Frank's got a new video. Go check it out, because it's going to be worth it, guys. All right, thank y'all for watching. As always, y'all have a great day. I'm taking this one with me, and I'm going to have a great day too. See you later.